In today's video, I'll teach you how to listen ChatGPT text in audio. First of all, what you have to do is launch open ChatGPT application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you can see over here, you'll be able to ask anything to ChatGPT. Simply tap on the message bar. After you do that, you'll be able to ask anything. Now, what you have to do is type in your question or instruction over here. Now tap on the arrow icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your message will be sent. Now ChatGPT will respond to you. Now over here you'll be able to see the text that has been sent by ChatGPT. If you want to listen to this text in audio, it is actually very simple. What you have to do is simply scroll down and come to the bottom of this text. At bottom, you'll be able to find various icons like copy, like, dislike, etc. Right over here, you'll be able to find the audio icon. So if you want to listen to the text, what you have to do is simply tap on this icon. Now wait for a while.
Life can be looked at in different ways. Scientifically, life is the characteristic of organisms that grow.
So like this, you'll be able to listen the audio version of the ChatGPT text. So that is how you listen ChatGPT text in audio. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.